Communication is pivotal in improvement projects. In step 2, the project manager needs to reinforce the message sent by the sponsor of the project. The reinforcement message should show appreciation to the process team and that the project is concerned with process rather than people change. This is in addition to explaining the case for change and why it is happening. Besides, a set of ground rules need to be established. Ground rules refer to guidelines, principles, or norms that govern how team members will interact and communicate throughout the duration of the project. Creating a communication plan is also an important task to be completed in the second step. As mentioned earlier, ground rules refer to a set of agreed upon guidelines, principles, or norms that govern how team members will interact, communicate, and conduct themselves throughout the duration of the project. This is important to manage expectations, mitigate conflicts, and promote effective teamwork. For example, ground rules touch on team commitment and that they are expected to do what they say will do. Also, it includes rules about proactivity in surfacing problems and sharing workload with other team members. They point out the importance of being unbiased and acting as a project team member, not his or her own department member. Ground rules include rules about using consensus in decision making, focusing on problem issues rather than people, respect and equality amongst stakeholders, and the importance of raising questions. In addition to other communication rules such as avoiding interruptions and talk over. A communication plan is an important document that outlines how communication will be managed, structured, and executed amongst project stakeholders. It serves as a roadmap for effective and efficient information exchange throughout the project lifecycle. The plan identifies the key communication needs, the addressed person or stakeholder group, timing of communicating the issue, the method of communication, and the team member in charge of communicating the issue. For example, turf issues and resistance acts should be communicated immediately to senior management by the project manager. Face-to-face meeting is a preferred method in this type of communication, whereas project change requests should be shared with the sponsor of the project by the project manager through a report by email on a weekly basis. The aim here is to ensure that relevant information is shared in a timely manner and that all stakeholders are informed and engaged. And with this, the second step and the 10-step process improvement methodology is concluded.